There is one other caller on the call.
Hi Sam.
Hello, Sherry. Good evening.
Yeah, good morning.
It's Saturday for you.
Saturday morning. Good evening for you.
Good. It's much better. The weekend. Okay. Well, so I was wondering if I was checking the calendar. So we're ready to start with push and pull fire share.
Yes.
And I wonder if we already saw CTM and optimizer. Well, optimizer.
No.
Not optimizer. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
we'll discuss in the later.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah, this part
Right. Okay.
shift the yeah. Now we'll discuss a push and fair share rule.
The practical sense, what does it mean pull and push for in the SNAP context?
It's the same deployment, but how you do it's a different kind of technique. Same deployment, but the deployment only how you do in a different way. That is what it will tell you. By default, also we are following some kind of facial rules, but there are other facial rules also available. So which will if we use other settings, how it will results, how it will be, that we'll see. So before going to that, we will see just what we have discussed. So here, regarding the deployment, we have generated when we generate a heuristic at shift to party level, it will generate a planned orders. Sorry, purchase requisitions plan.
Purchase.
That will show here as a distribution receipts plan. The same demand 1000 plant location will show as a distribution demand plan. After that, we are converting from distribution demand plan to distribution receipts confirm to the deployment. For the deployment, the settings we discussed here is pull horizon, push horizon, and then ATD receipts. Okay. Pull horizon means how much it should pull this demand, how many days of demand it should pull, and push means how many days of receipts it should consider, how many days of receipts means it may be having a sales stock on hand or a production plan or production confirmed, any other receipts. from current day onwards, how many days it should consider to confirm the demand which you get from the ship to party location. That we'll discuss. And in the 18 receipts, we are defining a categories. This is categories which we use for confirming the demand. So all the receipts categories we should include in the LTD receipts and assign here. Then run the deployment. When you run the deployment, the settings same. You use same planning book at this. Here you have option to confirm only particular shifting parties. If you don't give here, it will confirm all the shifting parties which is connected to this supplying plan for that particular product. That is what we discussed.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll see the partial rule at these things. For that, I'll generate a heuristic again. Before that, I need to delete the already converted orders here, this one, so that we can see a new planning. Again, for deleting transition, I go to RLCDL. Category is EH. Deleting. Now we'll run a heuristic. Heuristic is done.
Okay.
If you see, the new demand will be there at 1000 plant location. So we have a new demand. So now we'll see what is this fair share rule. See here there are push distribution. This is what we have. Push. Some demands are there. How you push the demand when you run a deployment run. By default, when you don't give any settings, it will take the pull. Means it is blank, it will take the pull. If you maintain P, this pull push, it is by demand, it is by code arrangement, it is push taking safety stock horizon and something. Is it? If you have any other logic, you can develop with the above help and assign you. But mainly it will be used blank only. That is pull.
Hold on there, please. Hold there. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Please back to the push distribution indicator. And could you please back to the screen an SA and a PB. And this, which indicator? Okay, push distribution. That's the topic of today.
Yes.
Okay, so
So in this facial rule we'll discuss.
only this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you open please again the match code? Yes. So we have pull, P is pull and push. X is push by demand. Q is push by quarter arrangement. Okay. S push taking safety stock. What else? Into account. Okay. Use user defined distribution. Okay. Every of these indicators make the system create a different behavior depends on the situation.
Right, exactly.
For instance, in what case we should to use the P, X, Q, or S?
Yeah. We'll discuss now.
Okay.
We'll maintain one. Here, pull distribution. If we don't give anything, it will take as a pull distribution. Means deployment covers all the demand within the full deployment horizon. The distribution is due on the due dates. What it happens is, here when you observe, it will pull the demand, the pull horizon. Pull horizon means here you have given 20 days. This one. So 20 days of demand it will pull and it will try to confirm on the same respective dates. The same respective dates it will try to confirm. That is, if you set a plan, that is plan. That is pull distribution. Like you'll say, we'll go to the Excel sheet. Here in the 1000 plant, we have a demand 30th. Let's say a second. Okay, if you see, consider 31st first. So here we have a demand on second, like example 2000. Here we have a demand of 2500. Here. Then when you run a deployment, if you don't give any settings in the pull horizon, in this pull distribution, it will take a blank means pull distribution. Pull distribution means what it will do, it will take the horizon what you maintain in the pull push horizon, that is 20 days we have maintained. So it will take the demand from current day to 20 days and try to confirm the same demand on the same dates. So here you have demand, then it will confirm on the same dates. So here it will be in the distribution demand planned. Then it will confirm into distribution demand confirm. And this will be copied, will be confirmed here. on the same days. But the condition is you should have on the same days you should have some other receipts or stock on hand. That is here pull push. Sorry, what is that one? First setting distribution. So then if you maintain pull push, what it will do is, if you maintain pull push means, put the change mode here. Here P, if you maintain P, same demand, this is pull push. It will consider 20 days of demand, but all the 20 days, how much it is, like example here 12,000 is there. 12,000 is trying to confirm on this beginning of the period itself. It will try to confirm all the demand on the same day. That is what it will do. The third option is, we'll see in the system one or two examples. X push by demand.
Kishori,
Yeah.
so I was not clear about the previous. What is the particular characteristic for the first one, and what is the special
First one,
characteristic? Yeah.
yeah, it is, if it is blank, if you don't maintain it, automatically picks this one only.
It means
Here
no changes.
you have a no, nothing else. Yes, if P means this one, X means this one, Q1 is this one, like that it will pick. But if you don't maintain anything, if it is blank, then it will pick the first one.
Okay. Now in your Excel.
This
Now
one, that is, yeah. Tell
you
me.
okay? Yes, but I'm not clear because we have a demand. This is our buckets. Is that correct? Our buckets, the columns.
Hello.
And yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Hello.
I'm here.
Sam, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. You can hear me? Hello? Kishori? Hello? Kishori, you can hear me? Hello? Hello? The sound is perfect, man. Telephone start recording. es esto, cabrón? Hijo de tu chingadísima. Kichori?
Yeah.
Sorry, my wireless was disturbed. Well,
Okay.
okay, no problem. Well, okay,
Yeah,
so
you're telling something.
okay, and my first question is, I want to notice what's the difference between every indicator. In the first, I see we have a demand in the second period. This is the 2000, and then we have
Yes.
a third period with 0, 4 with 25, 6 with 0, 6 with 30, and then the last period with 45. And
Yes.
but what is the series? What is the understanding that I should get from this explanation about the first pull and push? Pull, sorry.
Yeah. So here, the pull, it will try to confirm the same days of demand. So here you have a demand on second, so
Okay.
it will try to confirm on the second day only. Means it will the 1000 will tell the ship to party we are going to send a goods on second,
Okay.
and 2500 quantity goods on fourth, because you have a demand on fourth only. So it will also confirm that it is going to send on fourth only. And here there is a demand of 30,000, 3,000 on sixth. So it will confirm is going to send on sixth only. So wherever is having a demand on that day only, it will try to confirm. Means it will indicates the ship to parties that it is going to send on the same days. But
Okay.
here, when you maintain pull push,
Mm-hmm.
it will pick all the demand in the horizon, within the pull horizon, but it will try to confirm all the demand quantity at the starting of the period. It will tell the ship to parties that we are going to give all the demand what you have in this horizon on the beginning of the day itself.
Okay. You have a forecast. You have a horizon, and it's the sum of every each of these periods, but it takes
Yeah,
at the beginning.
right.
Means okay.
That's why generally they will use this one only, because ship to party expects wherever they have demand on that day only they expect the stock. If we send earlier, then they have to keep that in their go down and they may not be comfortable.
Okay. I
But the
think
setting is available.
I think the trying to understand this concept push and pull. This is push because grab the all periods and move to the initial of the horizon. But
Yeah.
if maybe there is another indicator additional which is acts like a complement when you define that if you set pull push, I mean push this amount of 2000 12,000, that will be at the end of the horizon. Is not something like this.
Oh, end of the horizon, we don't have any
It's always at the
logic.
beginning of the horizon.
Yes, at
Okay.
the beginning or on the demand dates.
Okay. Right.
Okay. But the condition here is you should have a stock or receipts. This much of quantity you should have a stock or receipts on the beginning of the period itself. If you don't have, then it will not confirm. It will confirm accordingly wherever you have a demand, where you have a receipts on that day it will try to confirm. We'll see these two first. We have seen already the first one. So when we ran yesterday, it was confirming on the same days. wherever you have a demand on the day, it is trying to confirm. Now we'll see the second option. I'll maintain this as a if I maintain P, it will try to confirm 20 days of demand. 20 days of demand, it is somewhere here, 30th or 15 something. It will try to confirm all of them beginning of the period. Some 50,000 is there. But here we don't have any 50,000 receipts. Here you have a 20,000, so it will try, first it will give 20,000 here. It will check wherever you have a demand. Sorry, wherever you have a receipt, so it will try to confirm. We'll see both the cases. I will create. Now running a deployment run. Location is 1000. Product is 320. So if you see only for one customers, for both of them. Execute. Version. Yeah, see here. We'll see. We'll go to the planning. Refresh. Another planning book so that we can see the difference. So first 22,000 does confirm because you may be having some stock, some receipts you have. So confirm entire 22 the beginning of the period is 22. Okay. Okay. So here what it is doing is, whatever you have a stock on hand, or receipts in the beginning, that much only it is confirmed. Remaining it is not considering. So I will increase because you have a demand here. Then 20,000 total together here considered for the 20 days. It is 50,000 something is there. Now what we'll do is redo that same process. But here instead of 22,000, we'll increase some other quantities here. So then we'll see. I'll delete this deployment. Now run a heuristic. Previously it was confirming only 22,000 because now here I will increase another 50,000. So we have increased to 3,000. I'm saving. Yeah. Now here we have 2077. And now if we try to do the same setting, it will try to confirm all the demand at the beginning of the period, because we have enough receipts to confirm all the demand with for the first 20 days of horizon. Now we'll run the deployment run deployment. See here, it is confirmed all the demand for the first period, 20 days period, in the beginning of the period. So first 20 days it has confirmed all the demand the beginning of the period itself. Earlier it was not done because you don't have enough receipts. Now you have enough receipts, that's why it is confirmed all the demand at the starting of the bucket itself. You got it?
Yes, that's
Yes.
push and pull
Yes.
strategy. Okay.
Yes. Now this push by demand. Push by demand is same like this one only, but here it will try to confirm not only 20 days of demand. It will try to confirm entire horizon. It will ignore the horizon, the push horizon, what you maintain here. What you maintain here, it will ignore. It just picks all the demand in this horizon. It will try to confirm the beginning of the period itself. So again, it should have enough stock on hand, enough receipts. So how much receipts you have, so that much it will try to confirm in the beginning of the period itself. We'll do the same scenario again. I will delete the deployment. Not this one. Okay, now run again heuristic regenerate demand.
Selection criteria with the heuristic this ran, it doesn't change at all.
No, it has generated demand right here.
Okay.
Yes, it was confirmed into here.
Okay.
Deployment run. Now I deleted this deployment run. Then again generated, when you generate heuristic, it will create this new demand again.
Mm-hmm.
Now we'll see how we can run this one. Here we have 55. We'll add for a few more. How much? 5,000. Yeah.
But
we'll change this.
You have to maintain exactly. Okay.
Yes. Push by demand. Yeah. Now if we go do here, refresh. It will try to confirm not only 20 days. Previously it was confirmed till here somewhere.
I'm sorry.
It left these things like that.
Kishore, my question is, you execute the heuristic before maintain the product master, then
yes,
you maintain.
Because this is no, this setting is for deployment run, not for the heuristic.
Okay.
Okay, heuristic anytime you can run. So now, after maintaining the setting, we are running a deployment run.
Okay.
So what it will do is, it will try to confirm. Previously it was confirmed till 20 days only.
Okay.
Now it will try to confirm all the demand you in this horizon, within this planning book horizon. So here also some 20 days, 30 days, even then till refresh.
And you
See
specified
here.
20 days.
Yes. Even then try to confirm all the demand. It confirm 93,000.
Okay.
It is no distribution planned orders are left. Means distribution demand planned entries are all are converted into confirmed distribution demand confirmed.
Okay.
So but the condition is you should have enough receipts. Here just for the sake of this setting I just increase the receipts.
Okay.
And so it has confirmed. Previously it was confirmed somewhere here till, but now it has confirmed till of the horizon.
Okay.
Okay, but practically this is not useful, because if you send all of the stock of 2 years of stock at the beginning of the period itself, the shifty party customer accepts? No, he is not going to accept, because he has to invest that much of quantity at the beginning of the period, and he has to store that much of quantity in their go down cost, or a storage cost will increase, investment also increased. And maybe if that stock is having a shelf life, means if each product is valid for the 3 months or something, then within 3 months he has to sold everything, otherwise that will be waste, will be expired. So considering all these things, generally every projects mostly will consider the first option itself, that is this one. Practically it is also feasible, because wherever you have a demand, on the same day it will try to confirm. So customers also will ready to accept, because he has a demand on this day for 2000 only, and a fourth day 2500. So if you give the stock on that much days, on that much of quantity, then only he will accept, generally practically if you see. But these are settings available, depends on the project you can choose.
Okay.
And the third option is like a quota arrangement. We need to add I will tell you what is the quota arrangement first in the next class.
Okay.
Then you can understand here. But the setting here is for the quota arrangement. Based on the quota arrangements, you can send the demand.
Okay.
You can confirm the demand. Quota arrangement is like in the heuristic itself, there is a topic called quota arrangement that we'll discuss in the next class.
Fine. Okay. Perfect.
Okay. And this, to take into the safety stock horizon. This is like a completely sure, but what it will, the system only confirms the planned issues that are to be converted into safety stock, the source location. If the difference between the demand and deploy date is similar, then the safety stock horizon. In the horizon, safety stock horizon, the system will only fall below the safety stock level that you define. So here what it is mentioning is, whatever the safety stock you maintain, that much only it will try to confirm. If the shifted party safety stock is going to come down, then that much it will try to maintain that safety stock. So it will try to confirm only the quantity which you maintain in the safety stock in the shifted party locations. You can see that when you practice that one. Okay. But that is not that much useful. So we'll go into the next topic called fair share rule. here also we have different options. Proportional distribution, demand based on, proportional distribution based on demands, proportional fulfillment of targets, proportion. This logic will come into the picture only you have a demand but you don't have enough receipts. Means supply is less, demand is more. The demand is more but the receipts means that is supply. Receipts are less.
Kishori,
I'll tell you for here.
Kishori,
Yeah.
how do you like if we take this topic for the next class
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
to say recording? That can you switch the screen? Switch the screen to the screen.
Yeah.
For no, the other screen for the product master. Yes, that for share rule, so we can
Yeah.
see in the next class. How do you
Okay,
like?
no problem.
Okay. I really prefer to separate. So we have seen push distribution, and the next class we can see the for share rule.
Yeah, sure.
Fine, perfect. Well, my friend.
Okay.
So
Tomorrow you are not available, right? Because we can.
yes, that's right. Yes.
So we'll see again Monday evening your time, right?
Monday evening, my time. Yes, very true.
Okay. Yeah. Then
Okay.
have a nice weekend.
You too, my friend. You too. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.